What is up guys? Welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, I will show you how to change the font in Roblox. Let's jump straight into it. First, open a new internet browser and go to the website called thefont.com. Once there, choose the font you want to download. Click the download button next to the font and it will download as a zip file. Open the zip folder and drag the files into a new folder on your desktop. Let's name it Roblox font. Next, make sure you have downloaded the Roblox app onto your PC. Once downloaded, come back to your desktop and search for the Roblox player in the bottom left corner. Right-click on the player and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, double-click on the Content folder, then the Fonts folder. Now create another folder on your desktop called Old Fonts. Just in case you want to replace the fonts back to the basic one in the future, choose any font you want to add and copy all the old fonts. Next, open the Roblox font folder and copy the TrueType font file. Paste this file into the Roblox font folder. Now open the old fonts folder and rename copied files to correspond with the old font. Once done, close everything down, and the next time you play Roblox, your font should be changed to the new one you just downloaded. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.